At 5:12 on April 18, 1906, the ground violently shook in the San Francisco region, California. This earthquake occurred 3 decades before the creation of the Richter scale, making it difficult to precisely determine its magnitude. However, seismologists and geologists agree that it likely reached around 7.9. For comparison, the earthquake that affected cities in Turkey during the same year registered approximately 7.8 on the Richter scale. At that time, the San Francisco region and the state of California were already densely populated. One of the reasons that exacerbated the catastrophe was the number of fatalities, estimated at around 3,000, a significant figure for that era. However, due to limitations in data collection at that time, the actual number of victims is likely even higher. In addition to the earthquake, subsequent fires worsened the situation, resulting in about 90% of the total destruction over 3 days. If a similar earthquake were to occur today, anyone moving to certain regions of California would receive a series of warnings, and institutions such as schools and hospitals would conduct training to prepare for a potential devastating earthquake. Current concern focuses on regions near the San Andreas Fault, a geological fault that cuts through part of California. There is consensus among geologists and seismologists that it is a matter of time until an earthquake of magnitude around 8 on the Richter scale occurs due to this fault. The San Andreas Fault is about 1,300 kilometers long and 16 kilometers deep, a result of the interaction between tectonic plates over millions of years. Concern has increased in recent years due to the rising seismic activity, leading some to believe it may be a preparation for a major earthquake, nicknamed the Big. The southern region of the fault in particular has not experienced a major earthquake in 300 years, which is twice the expected time for such an event. The San Andreas Fault is a region where the North American and Pacific tectonic plates meet, visible even from above. It acts like a spring, accumulating tension over time due to plate movement. When this tension is released, earthquakes occur. The Richter scale is essential for measuring the intensity of earthquakes, a logarithmic scale where each 1-point increase represents a 10-fold increase in earthquake amplitude. Earthquakes with a magnitude over 9 are extremely rare and cause significant damage. The last major occurrence in the region was in 1906, with a 7.9 magnitude earthquake, leaving a deep impact on the population's memory. The concern is that the accumulated tension since then may result in an even more catastrophic earthquake. A study predicts that a future earthquake named the Big could reach between 7.8 and 8.1 on the Richter scale, mainly affecting the Los Angeles region. This would not only be an instant tragedy in terms of human losses, but also have a lasting impact, leaving the region without water and electricity for an indefinite period. Although it is impossible to precisely predict when the next major earthquake will occur, it is imperative that potentially affected regions be prepared. The government provides guidance on how to act in case of an earthquake, including the need for planning, such as storing water and food for 2 weeks. Despite the imminent risk, studies indicate that there will be some advance warning, as the number of small tremors tends to increase before a significant earthquake. The uncertainty remains regarding the relationship between these smaller tremors and the feared big one, but preparation and awareness are essential to minimize damage in the event of a catastrophic occurrence. In conclusion, the San Andreas Fault remains a constant reminder of the unpredictability of nature and the urgent need to be prepared to face the challenges it may pose. This concludes another video from the Brilliant Mind channel. Thank you very much, and until next time.